I'm running home to come and show you guys. Oh my goodness, I have to share this with my friends. Yes, I can't wait. I can't wait. Our perfume. Okay. This is the small size. Look at how much it is. 23.79. Let me see. This is what is the volume? This is small size and this is the big size. Let me show you. This is a small size. This one is the what ounce? Let's see. Oh, you can see how many ounces it is. I don't have my glasses here. This is the big bottle. It's exactly the one I have here at home. This is 41.29. And this is Burberry. Biggest size is 54.99. Elizabeth Taylor White Diamond. Yeah, that's just an example. Guys, that's just, I'm in the store right now, so that's just the few examples I have for you. So I normally show you guys these differences. There are things you buy here though. There are things you buy. If you have a coupon, yeah, take advantage of the coupon. If you don't have a coupon, darling, all I could say is shop around and know what is better for you financially. You know, the good thing about CVS, CVS always has discounts. So you see these yellow labels? Those are the discounts. And these are the cashback you get when you use them. So they always put the dates. You watch out for them and you'll be able to know how to buy and where to buy. You know? Yeah, the yellow labels, I think it changes every week. You check it out, see if it's what you really want, and if it is, darling, go for it. Go for it. But if not, look at this Maybelline Fit Me. I always buy it in Walmart. This is number 40. Number 40. How much is this? $15. Lord have mercy. 15? Are you sure? Oh my God. Sorry, number 30. Come on now, people. $15? Honestly, guys, this perfume, why I love it so much, it's classic. It smells like freshly plucked rose petals. It's so fresh and clean smelling. It's very beautiful. You don't need a lot and it lasts a whole long time. So the same size I got in TJ Maxx, as you see, is $14.99. They still have some, so go try it out if you have TJ Maxx around, your TK Maxx if you're in Europe. But in CVS, for example, and other stores, it's for over $41. So hey, and also I showed you guys also the Maybelline powder, Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I got it for about $5 in Walmart, and in CVS the same powder, the same thing exact, the same shades for over $15. So hey, check it out and see what you want to buy for yourself, and shop wisely, and always be a point of light. God bless you. Shalom.